your pickup truck can do a lot, capable of way more than you think. In today's video, we're checking out 15 new pickup truck gadgets you can buy on Amazon that are completely changing the way people drive. Number 1. Ever struggled climbing into the back of a lifted truck while carrying heavy gear? That's exactly why this tailgate ladder feels like such a smart upgrade. It folds down in seconds and gives you a stable step with durable aluminum grip plates and strong rubber feet for extra traction. The heavy-duty stainless steel hardware keeps everything secure even during rough use, and the universal fit means it works with most pickup trucks. Number 2. Leaving expensive tools or gear exposed in your truck bed is always risky. This quad-fold hard tonneau cover instantly adds security while giving your truck a cleaner, more aggressive look. The durable hard panels help protect cargo from rain, dust, theft, and harsh weather conditions without sacrificing easy access to the bed. And because it folds in sections, you can quickly grab what you need without removing the entire cover. Number 3. Loading heavy equipment into a truck can go wrong very fast without proper ramps. These Vever aluminum ramps are built for serious work with an insane 8,810-pound weight capacity that can handle tractors, ATVs, lawn mowers, and more. The secure top hook attachment keeps them locked firmly in place while loading, giving you extra confidence and stability. Despite their strength, the lightweight aluminum design makes them surprisingly easy to carry and store. Number 4. Some truck upgrades are practical, and some instantly make your pickup look 10 times tougher. This adjustable roll bar completely changes the appearance of your truck with an aggressive off-road style that grabs attention immediately. Built from strong steel construction, it's designed to handle rough conditions while adding serious visual impact to the truck bed. It fits many full-size trucks including Silverados, Rams, F-Series trucks, and Sierras. Number 5. Nothing is more annoying than tangled ratchet straps all over your truck bed. These retractable tie-down straps completely fix that problem with an automatic self-retracting design that stays neat and organized after every use. They're strong enough for motorcycles, cargo, ATVs, tools, and heavy equipment with an impressive 1,650-pound brake strength. Setup takes only seconds, which means less frustration and more time getting things done. Number 6. Truck beds get messy fast, especially when smaller gear starts sliding everywhere during turns and braking. This heavy-duty cargo net helps keep everything locked in place while maximizing your truck bed storage space. The adjustable buckle straps make installation quick, and the detachable mesh design gives you flexibility for different types of cargo. Whether you're carrying tools, coolers, sports gear, or camping supplies, it helps keep everything organized and easy to access. Number 7. Getting into a truck that's been baking in the sun all day feels absolutely brutal. This upgraded Windshield Sun Shade uses a 5-layer reflective design that blocks up to 99% of UV rays while helping keep the cabin cooler. It protects your dashboard, seats, steering wheel, and electronics from long-term heat damage during hot summer days. The swivel handle design also makes setup incredibly fast compared to traditional foldable shades. Number 8. Reaching tools buried deep inside a truck bed is one of the most frustrating parts of owning a pickup. This sliding cargo tray solves that problem by smoothly pulling your gear directly toward you in seconds. The heavy-duty dual-wall construction supports serious weight, while the wheel system keeps movement smooth and effortless. It's perfect for contractors, campers, mechanics, or anyone constantly loading and unloading equipment. Number 9. Climbing into a tall truck bed without support can feel awkward and unsafe, especially while carrying cargo. This heavy-duty bed handle gives you a strong grab point that makes entering and exiting the bed much easier. Designed for Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra trucks, it also includes tailgate assist and cargo tie-down functionality. The rugged construction is built for hard daily use whether you're working, hauling, or traveling. It's one of those underrated upgrades that adds convenience every single day without you even thinking about it. Number 10. Imagine turning your pickup truck into a comfortable campsite almost anywhere in just minutes. This inflatable truck bed tent creates an elevated sleeping space that keeps you away from mud, rocks, and uneven ground. It's waterproof, windproof, spacious, and surprisingly quick to set up with an inflatable structure that feels modern and practical. Whether you're overlanding, road tripping, fishing, or camping in the wild, this setup completely changes the outdoor experience. Number 11. Loading a motorcycle into a pickup truck can be seriously nerve-wracking without the right equipment. This Black Widow ramp uses an extra-wide aluminum design that makes loading safer, smoother, and more stable. Its 1,500-pound capacity handles motorcycles, dirt bikes, and other heavy gear with confidence. The longer 10-foot length also creates a gentler loading angle, reducing the chance of dangerous slips or mistakes. Number 12. Truck theft is becoming more common, and losing a vehicle packed with tools or gear can be a nightmare. This Brickhouse GPS tracker gives you real-time tracking, live location updates, route history, and instant monitoring right from your phone. The wired installation keeps it hidden and continuously powered for reliable long-term protection. It's perfect for work trucks, travel vehicles, or anyone who simply wants extra peace of mind. Knowing exactly where your truck is at all times makes this one of the smartest gadgets on this list. Number 13. The best storage compartments are the ones nobody notices. This hidden center console storage box creates a secret compartment inside compatible Colorado and Canyon trucks for valuables and personal items. The one-touch opening design feels smooth and factory-made while keeping cash, keys, wallets, and documents hidden from sight. It's simple, clean, and incredibly practical for everyday use. Number 14. Road trips and camping adventures always seem to run out of storage space way too fast. This folding Hitch cargo carrier instantly adds a massive amount of extra hauling capacity to the back of your truck or SUV. It includes a waterproof cargo bag, cargo net, ratchet straps, and hitch stabilizer, so your gear stays secure during travel. The heavy-duty steel frame supports up to 500 pounds while folding upright when not in use. Number 15. Driving off-road at night without proper lighting is a completely different kind of dangerous. These Auxbeam LED light pods are insanely bright with over 26,000 lumens and a wide 270-degree beam pattern that lights up everything around you. The amber DRLs and side shooter design improve visibility during rain, fog, dirt, and rough trail conditions. Their rugged waterproof construction is built to survive harsh weather and serious off-road abuse. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned because the next truck upgrade list is even crazier.